Hello student. See, the next topic is your D and T flip flops. Okay, so starting with the D flip flop. So see, so we can call that as a delay. Sometimes we can call it data. Okay, type of a flip flop. Okay, if you observe the diagram of a D type flip flop, okay, it is nothing but your SR flip flop. Okay, so SR flip flop, and in the SR terminal we are connected such type of inverter, means S to R we are connected inverter. Okay, R will be removed now and it will be only converted into a single input, and you can call this is a D. Clock is applied and is D, right? So see, if we use only means only one input is either 0 or either 1. Okay, so it has only one input referred to as data input or data input, and the output clock pulse qn or qn plus 1. Okay, so we know that the n means during the clock period and n plus 1 is after the passing of the clock cycle. So this is the equivalent saying with that the data input appear at the output at the end of the clock pulse. So the transfer of data from input to the output is delayed, hence the name you can call as delayed D type flip flop. Okay, data delayed type of flip flop. So D type flip flop is either used as a delay device or a latch to store one bit of information. Means if input is 0, output is again 0. See, data input D is 0, output is 0. If it is 1, it is 1. Whenever the clock pulse is applied. Whenever the clock pulse is applied, data input is 0, output is again 0. Data input is 1, again output is 1. Whenever the clock pulse is applied. Right? So, if the clock pulse is not applied, means 0. So, D does not matter. Don't care, means either 0 or 1. So, Q is the last Q, means value of the last Q. Okay, so it's called as D type flip flops. D type flip flop. SR flip flop, sometimes JK flip flop is converted to the D type flip flop, like this one, but connection we have to make. Now you can again see these are the same table. Okay, here the 0 1 0 1, like this one, the same at that time D and Q plus 1. Q plus means after passing of the clock period, right? Then we'll see latch and versus flip flop. What is the difference? Okay, so see, the latches are level trigger and flip flop are edge trigger. Okay, level means 0 level, 1 level, like these are the, and edge means whenever the transition will be going from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay, so output follow the input as long as clock is high, and input transfer to output at the time of positive or negative transition of the clock. Now next is your T type flip flop. So this T type flip flop you can call as a toggle. T stand for toggle. Okay, and JK flip flop use only. SR flip flop is not allowed here. Okay, so we can convert JK flip flop to the T type, just simply combining the two input of JK and it acts as T. See, again I repeat the JK flip flop diagram, and we just combine the we can call it as combine both input of J and K and apply to the T. Okay, history don't go here. What they are showing here, the two types of diagram can draw by using a different combination of the AND gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, like this one. Okay, so for understanding purpose we can assume that we can say that the both input of JK will be combined together and it acts as T type flip flop. It acts as T type flip flop. So see, whenever in JK flip flop, if J and K is equal to 1, J and K, or you can say J is equal to K, the resulting flip flop referred to as T type flip flop. It has only one input terminal referred to as T input. If T is equal to 1, T is equal to 1, it acts as toggle switch. It acts as toggle switch. Means what? For every clock pulse, the output Q changes. For every clock cycle, the output Q changes. Means whenever, if it is initially 0, then again clock pulse is 1, T is 1, then again it will be toggle. Means instead of 0, then output is 1. And for next clock pulse, T is equal to 1, again it is 0, like this one. Means output is every clock pulse, the output Q changes. Okay, And if we say that t is equal to 0, then what? Then t is equal to 0, the flip-flop remains in whatever in it was before. Okay, so t for toggle at every clock pulses arrived, the output Q changes. Okay, so it called as toggle flip-flop. Then next is related to the we'll see next part. These are the diagram they are showing D T. Okay, so conversion will be, or first we'll learn excitation table, then conversion table in the next lecture. Thank you.